Now, in the last lecture, we did learn about 0, 1, and few-shot prompting, where you simply add a couple of examples to your prompts to help ChatGPT generate a response that fits your exact requirements. Now, there also is a prompting technique related to one-shot prompting. And that technique is all about providing a template for the response generated by ChatGPT. For example, here, I want to get a list of 5 great travel destinations for this summer. And I'm providing a template to ChatGPT with which I tell ChatGPT how the output should be formatted. Now, of course, when it comes to formatting the output, you can also always tell ChatGPT that you want JSON or CSV or any other kind of data format as an output. But here I want to have plain text and still have that text being formatted in a certain way. And that's what I'm telling ChatGPT with that template here. And adding such a template, defining such a template, can also be considered to be a case of one-shot prompting. Now, in addition, here, we could combine this with actual one-shot or few-shot prompting by adding in an actual example where this output is being used with some example data to make sure that ChatGPT really understands what we want and produces an output that uses our template but also contains the content we want to have. If I send this here, for example, I do indeed get a couple of travel destinations where every destination is formatted using my template. So providing such a template can be another interesting addition to your prompts and can be something you might want to do to ensure that you're getting exactly the response in the format you want to get it.